friends, it's me, a little ladybug. I may be tiny, but I have big secrets to share. Come with me, and I'll show you my amazing ladybug world. Guess what? Everyone calls me a ladybug, but I'm not actually a bug at all. I'm a beetle. I belong to a special beetle family called Coccinellidae. See my hard shell on my back? That's my armor that protects my wings. You've seen ladybugs that look like me, red with black spots. But some of my friends are yellow, orange, pink, or even black. Some of us have no spots at all. I may be small, but I eat a lot. I love munching on aphids, tiny bugs that hurt plants. In my whole life, I can eat up to 5,000 aphids. That's why gardeners cheer when they see me. I help keep plants healthy. When winter comes, I get cold. So I gather with thousands of my ladybug friends. We huddle under rocks, logs, or even inside houses. We stay warm together in one big cozy sleepover. So now you know my secrets. I'm not just cute, I'm helpful, colorful, and brave. Next time you see a little ladybug like me, give a tiny wave because you've met a tiny hero of nature. Thanks for buzzing around with me today. I hope you had fun learning all about ladybugs. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tiny adventures. See you next time, little explorers. Bye-bye.